welcome back to another Minecraft video, where today I will be carrying on that parkour map that I left off of. So let me head right back into that. My friends are still here, so
it's only been 1 minute, you know.
I know. So if you checked out the video before that, the video I'm making right now might upload a couple hours or a couple minutes after that, so it might not seem that like close together. But I have made this video right. Can someone party, please? Okay. No, I'm not doing it. She's strange. She's creepy. I totally forget what house it was. So I put it under parkour. No, I didn't. What is wrong with life? So actually, hello everybody, guys. I will not actually be doing that same thing. Wait, was that it? No, that was a super hard one that I got stressed out about, and I shall tell you right about now. Okay, let me check this out and see if this was. Whoa! Help me! What the blobs? What is life? Okay, I think this might have been it, guys. Well, so this is the one, if you remember. Okay, nope. Nope. Bye, guys. I will not be doing this. This is way too hard. Xmas, escape if you can. That's what it was called. So let's do maze. Escape if you can. That was what it was called. So let's look through this. Let's see. What is this? Brutal parkour. Let's look through. General. So, wait, I think I just saw it, guys. Oh, wait. FNAF all games. Dang it. Just Good Evil Needs Royals. What the heck does that mean? Okay, we shall be doing this one instead. I'm very sorry, guys. I know you guys wanted to see that other video that that other parkour map that I made. I wanted to do it too, but too bad I can't. So tra-la-la-la-la-la. Come on, load the freaking world already.
Oh, he was here.
Oh, okay, I am here finally. Welcome back. Red. What? We need royals, Ender warriors. Read. Oh. What? Okay, whatever.
Oh, this is so creepy.
What is this place? The heck?
I just see.
Ooh! How is that freaking possible? What the heck? Oh, the sign. The signs. Them signs. Woo. Boo. I like the tacos. Dark Hut. Dark Hut 1. Ooh. So this isn't really. This is such a cool place. This is so cool. Wow. But I'm gonna have to leave you, my dude. Okay, guys, remember the Mario parkour? Wolf versus human. Okay. Prom new. What, girl? 70+ levels. Let's do it, boys and ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Minecraft video with your best friend, Mighty Chickens. Ha-cha. Okay, Neo's cookies. Down the hole. Whip. Rules. World's first chicken. No cheating, no spawning in it. Okay, bye. What? Note. Parkour is in WIP. is in whip. What is whip? It's whip. It's whip. Mining deep. That's this guy's really creative with his names. What are you guys even playing? Oh my gosh. It looks like, what the heck? It looks like a piece of sushi. Sorry for my noob friends. They're super yelly and they're really weird. Guys, lower down. I'm trying to make a video here and be famous. Oh, I'm farting like heck. Ice parkour! No! Ice parkour is so hard. Ice parkour.
You ready?
Oh, oh. Whoa. Sup everyone, I'm going to record this housing parkour map.
Whoa. Okay, I'm here. You better get out really fast, man.
I have a YouTube
Whoa.
channel
Look at this.
and have 90 subs and recording.
And if you do this,
Boy, compete on that.
what's it do? Okay, up the ladder we go.
What's the name?
I literally cannot see it. Wait, do you want to see
MIGHTY
Please.
chicken.
Wait. Test. What's this? Please, dude, please, can we change? No. Dude, seriously. Now. I can't see anything. I'm not
Are
Dude,
you
I'm
sure
not
that's
kidding. I
possible?
just switch skins.
Whoa! That is possible!
I can't play then. It's too dark for me.
What is?
Just sit up like this.
Yeah, Ryan, sit up like that.
Sit up like that. Wait. What?
Fuzz!
Kidding me? What are you doing?
Shut up, you chickens! Jesus! Ugh, how did it just fall off that?
Please.
Guys, be quiet! I'm trying to record here! Trying to record a freaking... I believe in your flair. What? Boing! Bloing! Cha-choing! Burritos, chanicos. Ba-da. Subscribe to Zinc Zoodles on YouTube. Thanks. Okay, let's see if that's actually a thing. Okay, guys, I'm looking it up on YouTube right now. Okay, I'm going on YouTube. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, so YouTube. Yeah, I got on YouTube. Go. Okay, there. Okay, we're going on YouTube, guys. Okay, videos. Okay, hold on, guys. We'll just be like, make it awesome. Okay, so let's type in. Okay, let's type in Zinc Zoodles. Zinc Zoodles. Pink Zoodles? Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, I'm typing it in. Zinc. Oh my god, I'm totally misspelling this. Zinc. Zood. Wait, how do you spell that? Yeah. DLES. Zoodles. Oh, this guy actually does have a YouTube channel. Okay, guys, here, let's let you listen into this. What the crap? Okay, guys, listen in. Shh, be quiet, little man. He has 58 subscribers. Boy, no, that ain't fair. 58. I have 7 or 8. So you have all that subscribers for basically crap. What the heck? What the frick? Okay, that YouTube channel was like crap. It was like a piece of chunkies. La 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 la. Oh, Come on. And a boom. Boom. Sorry, I spent so much time looking on that YouTube channel. I just wanted to make sure it's real. It was not, actually. That guy totally lied.
Oh, these are the steps.
Oh, rage warning. Uh-oh. Shut up. 10. What? Oh. Rage warning. Think positive. Charlie's dad. What? What? Whoa!
What? You have less. Okay, let's go over here. We have to. Where? Here.
Please don't disturb.
Oh, there.
Oh,
Over here.
no!
Here.
Flippers. I have so many flippers that it's all flippertastic.
Wait. Oh yeah, this is the wrong one. Wait, you want to go here? You're trapped?
If I... How do I make that?
Over here. We
Rage
have to
warning.
go
How's that a rage warning? Oh, wait.
Come on,
Holy
let's go.
Christ.
We don't-
Holy
We
Jesus.
have to explore. No, we're not. We're supposed to
Whoa!
do parkour.
Whoa! Oh! Oh! Banana!
Hey, are you guys want to eat?
No! Not...
We have burritos. At some point.
Ugh. Okay, for those who are wondering, that's my mom. See your mama? This is my mama. Ah!
Down this one.
You know, this should have been the rage warning. This should have been the rage warning, guys, not that thing.
Here?
Ah!
Yes.
Buzz! Fudge! Flippers! Ah!
I did it. You did it. I
What?
failed.
Oh, shiz. Oh, shizzy nuggets. They're all burnt up to a crisp. This is like the rage warning part.
Go back up.
Oh,
Yeah, I know. I'm going back up.
no! Ah, no! Woo, woo.
I want up there. Let me go up here.
Ah, no! Banana! For those who were also wondering, that was my friend Raihan's mom. And let me just no.
Failing this.
No! Fudge!
I'm way ahead of you.
No!
And you're down there.
Ah.
Stop watching here.
Whoa! Oh!
She watched.
Oh! What? Oh, it's the...
No, actually, I'm actually.
Oh my God, guys. I am so sorry. I am so sorry that I cussed at you. Duh! Why do I keep doing that? Stop it!
You have to start. You start it over.
No!
This is Ben's.
No, I glitched there!
Oh, no.
No! Dang it! Stop me doing that!
We died. We found a village.
Dang it!
Bro, die. If you die, we can go to a village. No. If you die, good. That's good. We're gonna be at a village.
Rage warning.
Try to die.
How is that a rage warning?
Because there's a village. Bro, you have to die.
I wasn't supposed to go there, was I?
This is Gravity Falls. Wait, what?
Why Gravity
Oh,
Falls?
you're in there? I'm not kidding. Look, listen.
Clearness Chicken Splockers. Whatever it said.
The lava one is
Woo!
Where's the lava?
What? Wait, what? How is that possibles? Possibles, possibles. Ba-dup, 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 ba-dup. What time is it, guys? Okay, about the end of this video is going to be in like 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 years. How do you even make that? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more of these videos as they come out, press that button that says post all notifications to this channel, and you're done. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for watching, and bye.